babies, it's your girl Radasia, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And today, y'all, first and foremost, y'all need to subscribe if y'all not subscribed and join the family, because we dropping lit videos, lit content, back to back. Okay, I look a mess, y'all, but it is, what's today's date? It is Monday, June. Can somebody give me the date, please? My face. June 15th, and me, Shanti, Tanan, Jay, TUKA, Mahogany, or who else are going on a nature walk today, y'all. I look horrible. I don't like that light.
You pissing me off.
But y'all, say hey, Sana. But yeah,
Who is Big Boy? Y'all got Bop, Big Boy. Come on, man.
My face working out so bad, y'all, and I know I haven't. Look at this. And I know I haven't been uploading, but I'm gonna start back uploading for y'all. But I be busy, real busy. And y'all probably wondering, I'm starting a business, and for y'all that follow me on Instagram already know I'm starting a business, and I'm selling this first launch, I'm trying to see how it's gonna go. And I'm selling ethical 2-piece sets for girls, ethical boxers, designer bonnets, and do-rags, right? And I was supposed to order it last week, but a lot happened last week, so I didn't order it yet. But it's coming real soon. I promise y'all it's coming real soon. And after this first launch, I'm gonna order way more, and I'm gonna add things to the collection.
My lip gloss.
I'm gonna add things to the collection.
Alright.
So y'all go follow Deja Barbie Boutique. I'm gonna put it somewhere on this screen. It's gonna be in the description down below. Make sure y'all go follow it. And yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated though, because I know a lot of y'all been trying to buy it from me, and I want to do pre-orders, but I don't want to do pre-orders because I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'll probably do pre-orders once it get here. That's what I might do pre-orders when it get here. But it's first come first serve. I can't hold nothing for you unless you pay me. If you don't pay me, I'm not gonna hold nothing. But if you pay me and be like, I have to get it such and such, I'm gonna hold it for y'all. But yeah, but that's what's been going on in my life and whatever, y'all. And this a bee or wasp by me, and I'm so scared.
My grandma said, take that phone out your butt.
And yeah, so
My drink.
yeah, that's what's been going on, y'all. I really been trying to get my. I look horrible though. I look so bad. I need to get my. She look easy. My face breaking out. I'm breaking out everywhere. I don't know what's going on with me. My arm. I'm breaking out on my arm. Just long let my baby shiver yet.
Y'all look fat.
But it's not slushy though. Yeah, but anyways, that's besides the point. But yeah, we're waiting on Shanti to get him.
We're not going on a nature walk in the creek, bro. Don't think we're doing that dumb jump.
Yeah, we're actually going to a nature walk trail.
Drink.
You see that bug too?
Yep.
So we're waiting on Shanti. We gotta be back before 5 o'clock because Jay gotta go to practice.
My girlfriend gotta go back.
And I said her girlfriend gotta go back. But we gotta be back by 5 o'clock because Jay gotta go to practice. So this nature walk gonna be real short. We're not gonna be there for long at all.
So this vlog ain't gonna be long.
Yeah. But so now cut this, y'all. But we at tonight, huh? Y'all, this not a booger, I promise y'all. Cause I keep thinking it's a booger. Let me catch this lighting for y'all. Look at it. It's giving me. I look so crazy. But yeah.
You wanna get
We up right
hey
there.
y'all, we're back. We're here.
And Jade.
Y'all say hey to my vlog.
And TUKA, y'all say hey. Say hey, Jade. Say hey, y'all. Okay? Fuck y'all. But yeah. This was, dang, your water dirty.
What? Oh, no, it's not.
Yes, it is. But this was my idea, and if something happened, TUKA, don't play with me. So now get over here. I don't want you falling in the road.
If something happen, y'all just pray for us. I don't think nothing.
Right, this video not even gonna go out before they see this. We gonna be gone.
They gonna find your phone.
So look at what Shanti got us in. This is great. I'm so sick. My heart racing.
I don't really care.
Ain't nobody else out
I
here.
will leave my fly. Honestly, I was
Kind of funny. We don't pick them.
some shit.
Please don't say that to me. I'm so scared, y'all.
You not see how I'm looking at this shit? I saw it push me wildlife. It's gonna be fucking problem.
Like a fucking bear.
Shanti.
If we see a bear, that shit gonna
Stop thinking she got this little knife.
what the
Don't
hell?
help us out.
This is. I just stabbed it in the eye.
All right, I'm gonna leave you. You're gonna be stabbing it by yourself.
This like some horror movie type shit. If this was darker, if it was darker out, that'd be good.
Bitch, I would
Girl,
not
I wouldn't
go.
even come.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
That trail long as fuck, that's what they can't know.
That's the whole point.
We better get to walk fast.
Girl, we're out on the lake. Say hey. Look at that's Jay, Shanti, Tuka.
Social
It's a lot.
distancing. I social distancing.
Hold on, let's go this way because it's light.
It looks pretty.
Look. Come here, Shanti. Look at this sun. You can come too.
I can be behind you.
I'm trying. What the fuck he's staring?
That's what I'm saying.
He's staring the hell out of me. Look at him. I look great.
You do your skin look really.
And even though it's breaking out really bad. But y'all, we at this lake and these people behind me keep staring. But it's all good.
Oh, it's one black.
Yeah, that's what he's staring.
It stinks.
Black.
It's like water.
Yeah, it do stink. Smell like fish. But look how beautiful it is.
I wasn't in enough spit suit.
No, it was like
It was like straight air. Bitch.
she look. Can y'all
I didn't
see me? I
spit
look
it this
so-
way. I spit it over there.
Y'all see them bumps? Oh my gosh, it looks so bad.
Bro, what's up with you?
Say hey, Tuka.
What's up?
Jay, you need to talk. Say
Right, you see
something.
how weird she mean? Like,
Yeah, see, and you
so
said
nature.
You're supposed to be quiet and listen to nature.
But you're right. You actually, you're actually right. But I run my mouth a lot. So.
Y'all can't even see. I look so Y'all look.
I keep hearing y'all.
Right. So now she just mad.
Cause y'all talking, shut up and listen. Okay. If a bird come over here, I'm
Anyway,
okay.
in this water. I'm trying to see if I can catch it. He not jumping in. And then they gonna listen to this here music like I'm not gonna get copyrighted. They got no type of.
Truck said he want my password. I don't know.
Y'all look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm breaking out so bad. But, go in the water. All right, go be with your buds. Jump in.
Don't tell him that. No.
He gonna fall back, Chunky.
Yeah.
I got his legs.
Yeah.
Did I get on you?
Yep. That's exactly what.
Shanti, be careful. Look, this is y'all play around water. You know how to swim?
Stop.
Oh, okay. Where you gonna swim
That's
to?
dirty.
Where you gonna swim to?
That's what I'm saying.
How to-
Go right there.
First of all, how the fuck they finna get back up there?
That's what I was doing the same.
They finna climb.
I would.
It's a pole, nigga.
What if it's not a turtle?
It is a turtle.
What if it's like some kind of food? Big ass alligator.
Y'all can't even see it. Yeah. Yeah, I said no swimming alligators
Where said that?
on the website.
Don't scratch
Look, I'm trying to see if y'all can.
it. Hurts. Put
Oh
some
my
water
god,
on.
y'all! It is people jumping over there.
Somebody.
A leaf just popped me in my face. Oh my god. Y'all look. We got two leading the way. And I'm low-key scared.
I told y'all not to wear flies.
It stings. Oh hell no. This is where we lead to the damn park. It stinks so bad, y'all.
I never knew this was that here.
Y'all look, we had a park.
I'm not taking all due to Corona. Yeah.
That's that.
It's embarrassing.
Let me see if I don't think I can zoom in.
I gotta sit down.
Get off that.
I hope he falls. He's a whole crackhead.
Tuka, get off the freaking cell.
I got a farm over there.
That's cool.
Yeah, look.
This is such a, I feel like we don't belong out here. I ain't seen none other black person yet.
I don't know what she doing. That y'all look. Y'all see them ducks?
Stop. Do not hit it with the. Hey, Sean.
Stop.
Bro,
I'm
stop talking
scared.
right now.
It's gonna
You
beat
couldn't
your
make me
ass.
mad. Gonna fucking.
Right, you can.
Touch it.
All right.
Mom bird is gonna fucking.
She looks like the girl. Y'all, for my birthday,
He is crazy.
ooh, ooh. I need to. Y'all see these turtles? It's like, I don't know those two. Oh, they're right there. I can't see them. But
Them bitches coming.
They all coming over here.
This shit look fucked up.
yeah, that's why I said
He
look
look
ugly.
almost dead.
Injured.
Look at all them fishes. Yeah, he ugly. He the old one. He's going fast.
Right, you see him?
Yeah, the speed up. You need to talk about him a little too much.
This shit look, you can blend in better than me.
These turtles big. Tavon, don't do it.
Man, don't, jeez. She looks like the girl.
I got you, Deja.
Get off. My face looks so bad.
I want to go to the springs for real now, though. I want to. You think my hair would really get messed up if I got in the water?
Trying to braids or meant for water?
For real?
Yeah, so I think people get braids for like summertime. Cause you know people go to like the beach.
We don't go Saturday. Wait. I don't know. Because what's calling by me? But I don't want to go.
Yeah, go in. Oh, I don't have my AirPods in. Y'all, let me tell y'all how we freaking seen a snake. And y'all
I wish
know,
you was recording that.
I should have. I wish I was too.
Like, could that jump
And-
happen so slow but so fast?
So let me tell y'all what happened. So it's like this, they got like little workout things over here. And Shanti and Tuka want to play. And she pushed Tuka off. And Tuka fell into the grass. And like 2 more steps, it was a snake. That thing started slithering. Her titties to the fall out. And
This is not want to see you do that. Stupid ass, cotton ass bitch.
so then that's when we left it alone. I ran. And then Tuka gonna throw something at it.
She gonna have a caption like, we almost died from a venomous
Yeah,
snake.
she got it.
That's
That's what you got to
That's how I'm put.
Tuka almost died to a venomous snake.
Tuka almost near death experience.
Yeah,
But
they'll
y'all-
be thinking of bear. So, guys, she gonna be like, a snake ran past.
That's what you gotta put though for real. As your thumb, and we gotta take a picture like this.
Yeah, we gotta take a picture.
Yeah, you two be doing the most.
Yeah, that was
she
really.
tried to rob me.
Really?
Got to get me fine.
That's the end of this video. We are home. We dropped everybody off. We made it back home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all.
look a mess.
I look a mess too. Girl, I look a mess. Y'all know. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Nah, now you got to.
Make sure y'all. Oh my God. Move that.
She back.
And oh my God.
And,
Stop. And this is the end of the video.
It's the mother freaking end.
And I hope y'all like it.
Like it,
Comment.
comment,
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Make sure y'all tell y'all friends. to
Tell
subscribe.
Tell them right now.
Friend.
Make sure.
Yeah, we dropped everybody home. And I over there like a bunny.
Wash.
But
Go.
but yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm just watching this.
Yeah, because we finna go to the springs.
Walk on the lookout
Yep.
for that vlog.
Look out.
Store. Just stop talking to her. We're going to the train stop.
Wait, I'm still on the phone.
But yeah, bye.